Hey, Xhosa from the 2 minutes ago, Jenny Akumo. I'm back again with another video. But I'm glad it's something different with a bit of spice. You know, we're bringing in that entertainment. So it's football with entertainment. Love entertainment. But yeah, you can see. But today, I'm not alone. I'm right alongside a guest of mine. Jusca, they call him Junior. But yeah, man, so I brought him here, but I'm going to tell you more about what's going to happen. But first, before we get to that, let me tell you, Cape Town City have confirmed yet another signing. So yeah, Cape Town City have confirmed that the signing of a Namibian international Aprocius Petrus. So yeah, this happens after the deal with the Prince Xhosa collapsed due to a failed medical. Apparently, Xhosa was nursing a long-term injury. You may remember Xhosa from the recent AFCON. Was one of the stars for Namibia, who was donning the number 10 jersey. So after that deal collapsed, they've now went after Aprocius Petrus. And the Petrus has already completed his first training session with the Citizens. And then I'm going on to the second story that I have for you. Former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder, the General, Darrell Macheke is a free agent after he was released by Stellenbosch United. Apparently, this comes to light after he had discipline issues with the club. So yeah, Darrell Macheke is now a free agent. So to all the other clubs out there, you know who to get if you want to get one of the best young talents we have in South Africa. And then, yes, moving on to that, getting right straight into what I have for Nina Namhlanje. Okay, yes, I said I have a guest right alongside me, Jusca. I have a Jusca. So this is sort of like a conversation. It's going to be a Q&A. So I'm the prize moss. So I'm the one that's going to be asking him questions. So yeah, man, you must at least say something to guests, make them feel welcome.
Welcome.
Yeah, but he didn't even see as questions because I mean it has to be authentic, it has to be genuine, yeah, but says YouTubers as South Africa. Sorry. Yeah, but so this is sort of like it's going to be like an exam. So you're going to have A, B, C, and D, but A une questions like so A has 5 questions and then the rest is the questions in J as you want. Yeah, but then ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
This is going to be soft at the same time. It's a banzima, but we'll see how you tackle it. Going for okay, I said it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 questions, yeah, So I'm going to start with the 5. So I'm going to start at the top. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 questions. So starting with the 5, I want you to name 5 coaches in the DStv Premiership right now.
John Maduka, Eric Tinkler.
John Maduka, right now. Which team is he coaching? Right now, my brother. Right now. Which team is John Maduka coaching?
Let's leave it.
Eric Tinkler. Yeah, Cape Town City.
Eric Tinkler. Athazwani.
Athazwani has been demoted. He's in the development. In the DStv Premiership.
Okay, Eric Tinkler.
Sure. 1.
Mangoba Mngiti.
Okay, Mangoba Mngiti, yeah. Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, Pativan, Rolani.
Rolani Mlungisi Mukwena, Mamelodi Sundowns.
Pativan.
Isa. Should have had a timer food. On the next question, you're going to have a timer. Let me bring a phone here.
Eric Tinkler.
Eric Tinkler, what Mangoba Mngiti, what Rolani Mukwena.
What chips guy?
I don't know.
What you going to do? Next million top.
Okay, and Smith Cape Town Spurs.
Yeah.
You was in Monday Twilight Kaizer Chiefs. Because I'm coach of Kaizer Chiefs. Yo. Aye. Oh. The last one.
Martin Johnson. Hey.
At least I should give you that one because the same yeah, it's Calvin Johnson.
Yeah,
the interim coach for Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, he got the first 5 questions. Oh, Jusca. So this time around, you're going to have a timer again, yeah, bo? So in fact, let me set it up. Let's have a timer and just let's have a time. So you're going to have 1 minute. I'll be like the man. So it's going to have 1 minute to answer. So yeah, so we finished with the 5. So now we're going straight to the 4. This one is going to be very difficult. I feel like this one doesn't deserve a time because should we put a time?
I don't know. Come with it. Yeah.
Time, okay. I want you to name me 4 coaches who were footballers.
Who are footballers?
Yeah. This one is pretty kind of difficult. So let's make it worldwide.
Worldwide.
Yeah, so you can even go to Europe or the rest of Africa.
Okay.
4 coaches who have played football before.
Man. Jose Mourinho.
Okay, Jose Mourinho. Which team did he play for? Let's find out.
You
can think in the meantime. Jose Mourinho was once a player.
Arteta.
Okay, yeah, he used to play for Arsenal.
Yes, Arteta. Zinedine Sakucha.
Yeah, but he's the coach too, so yeah.
Zinedine. What you got?
Okay.
Vincent Company.
Okay, sure. 3.
Vincent
Wow,
Kompany.
Jose Mourinho was a football player.
Yeah, Jose Mourinho.
4. So you named Europeans straight.
Yeah.
Did you know about Dr. Kumalo as a coach?
Hey, coach. Wait.
René Litsolignani is a coach. Dr. Kumalo, I think CAF A or CAF B, he was assistant coach of Stuart Baxter, Kaizer Chiefs when they won M1080 2014. And, yeah, I think so. But I know, but he was assistant coach Kaizer Chiefs. And the fans have been crying out, but he should be brought back. So René Litsolignani. Who else was I'm just trying to think up South Africa.
I think South Africa.
Mark Mayambela was a player. He's now a coach. Okay. Who else?
And this player from Chief, man.
I was watching him go TKTV and stuff. Don't know this player, but I'm not sure about him. But they're running as initiatives. Bani, since I shoot the video. So yeah, man, it's one of, but they're not very few, Ganja, and I can't believe we're cracking our heads going over players.
But even
Arthur's one, Arthur's one. Yeah, who else? Let's name the fourth one. The fourth one, South African. Musa Nyatama. Yeah, recently played for Swallows, also played for Orlando Pirates. Yeah. Yeah, man. Hey. I want you to name me 3 assistant coaches as the DSTV Premiership right now.
3 assistant.
Mangoba is an assistant coach? Yes.
Mangoba because
Kaizer Chiefs, one got demoted and the other one remained.
I forgot that.
Assistant coach Calvin Johnson Goku. Okay, Kamanik clues. Assistant coach at Orlando Pirates, former coach at Golden Arrows. He's bald headed. Yeah.
What's bad?
Which one can I think of again?
Assistant you.
The assistant coaches. Assistant coaches. Yeah. I'm going to out.
Assistant coaches. Yeah.
Okay. Mandla Nka's assistant coach at Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Assistant coach at Golden Arrows. Maputi Kenyeza was also a former player. We forgot to name Maputi Kenyeza. We also forgot to name Steve Kombela. Steve Kombela is a former football player. But so yeah, those are the 3 assistant coaches that they have. So yes, even if there was a score, but you could have been winning right now. So we've named 5, 4, 3. So now we're on the second. I want you to name me 2 South African referees. 2 only.
2
And Fundu means I'm not asking a lot.
Asian, this one was referring
Of course.
on
Who was refereeing the derby?
Funa
Yo.
no, that one Okropa for two bad. And must retire lo. Well to I do too bad. Did he retire?
Oh, which one?
Lo Amar card man what bad.
Okay, Victor Gomez. I retired, yeah. He's part of Upagula lawyer referees. I don't know about his head of what, but he's there.
I'm a referee, sure. Lo Nabazibo, Nabat.
Okay, we went to watch Cape Town City the other day. Who was refereeing the game? Cape Town City against Stellenbosch at the DHL Stadium. Yeah.
I'm mailing you from Diagini. Aye.
Ulikolo Badi was the referee for Cape Town City against Stellenbosch. Ucheli Chavani was the referee Kaizer Chiefs against the Orlando Pirates. We have the likes of Tandon Zanzeka, we have Akona Makalima, we have okay, the guy that was a referee after the one yeah Epra. Okay, but those are the referees that I have. So now we are moving on to the last one. We went to watch Cape Town City. Kukola midfield, yes, substituted second half in the place of Uluyolo Slash. Ukanyele Shabel. You remember him? The one that was wearing number 18.
Which team?
Cape Town City. The one that had dreadlocks that did so many back passes.
Yes.
Yeah. Which team did he play for in England?
Yeah, England.
Which team was he playing for?
Premier League or England?
Yeah, Premier League England. Which team was he playing for in the Premier League? At least you can guess.
No, it's not Crystal Palace.
This team has won. This team won the English Premier League in 2016. Okay. Like if I name a player from that team.
Yes, I'll get it.
Okay, yeah, I'm sure you won't think of this player you won't think that this player once played for the club. For this club, Ungolo Kante once played for that club.
Ungolo Kante.
Peter Schmeichel once played for this club. Schmeichel. I'm not sure. I just hope I'm not calling his father's name, but Schmeichel, his goalkeeper at Denmark, once played for this club. You almost got it.
I can't be that thing.
Tielemans.
Leicester
City. Kanye Shabela played for Leicester City, made his debut for the club over 2 years ago. But he came back to South Africa because he was not playing.
Premier League, you said yes, and Leicester is...
They got relegated. They're in the second chart. Yo. Okay, yeah, it's my post.
Hello.
Bro, don't cheat on him. When I gave him... Are those questions hard? I'm sure those questions are not that bad, but... You have to do your research. You have to know these things. I mean, this is South African football. You have to know, like, if you're a person that's into football, you have to know about, okay, we have these referees in South Africa, we have these coaches, especially if you watch the South African football. And then, that was, so now we've completed, as remember I said we have A, B, C, D, so now we've completed the 5 questions on A, so now we're moving to B. I'm sure these ones are pretty okay, because they are mostly opinionated, meaning, like, they're coming from you. So I'm going to B. I want you to tell me your best PSL player ever in their prime.
In the prime?
Yeah, in their prime. Like this player at this certain moment where maybe was banging in goals, was making critical saves, was giving tackles. Like this player at this time, this player was at the peak of their career. So I want you to tell me which player is your favorite when they were at that phase of their career.
Paraklom. Legend. One of the best midfielders.
Pick up to Pratombo. Which is the okay? What do you like about Prahlombo?
Yo, that guy, you.
Would you say he's your idol?
Ah.
You're a midfielder too.
I'm midfielder too, but I can't say that guy. That guy, you is so excellent. Like he has that technique of long range. Long range. I can't score in center. Center.
Power and the technique he has,
power. So
and obviously the technique that he uses for like to be able to kick from the center to that side, you can see how he positions his body. Yeah, that one needs top tier analysis.
But Umukwena, he's getting there.
Yeah, I feel like he has genes. His guys got some Pokekana. Yeah. Remember the goal he scored yesterday against the SuperSport United, his former club, is a perfect example for. I mean, we know Uhlom Pokekana.
Even Mukwena, Ashama free kick.
You know. Okay, that was OP. So I told you these ones are much more simple because they are opinionated. So, see. I need you to give me your best Premier Soccer League starting 11. Your best PSL. PSL starting 11.
Okay. Goalkeeper, so we all know. Williams.
Okay, yeah. So remember, like not now, no, but you can like PSL. So during the PSL era, but okay. So it's Williams. So over Okune, over Brilliant Kuzwayo, over Senzo Meyiwa.
But I can say Kun.
Since it's like I just want to give you the option, you can start from back then, because PSL era, you don't really have to go for players that are still playing now. It can be players.
How about they say now?
Okay, sure. You can even go for now. Sure. Ronan Williams, without a doubt.
Right back, I will know. Mudau.
Stiko.
Mudau.
Akuliso. To say that.
Okay.
So which formation are you using?
Wait. Okay, you can say 4-3-3.
Okay.
4-3-3. Okay. Ronan Williams, Mudau, left back, Ash. You'll this player, man. I can say for me. Already
you're gonna call out the Mamelodi Sundowns squad.
That's not what I want, man.
It's just that the majority of players which are
great. Let me tell us. Mudiba.
Oh, Messi. Bri. Center back. You want this two.
These two.
You want this two.
Okay, these two. I can say. Wait.
Center back pairing has to be able to communicate. Remember.
Okay.
Remember, the viewers can judge your starting 11 side. Remember.
Okay, Grankeka.
Homolimo.
Yeah, Grankeka. Okay, let me say that center back.
So on the
Dove.
right. Okay, Edmilson Dove and Gran Homolimo Kekan. You have a lot of pace in your center back. Nice, and they also have the height. One-on-ones. Great, great
defensive midfield.
Okay, so you're going to play like this, like you're going to have two attacking midfielders, and okay, sure. I think I know this one.
Okay.
The defensive midfielder.
Sure. Guys, you know.
I knew.
Okay.
Oh, Joe.
My two attacking midfielders. Okay. I can say. Okay, let me see. What? This best play. Guys, this one is my favorite. Yusuf. Yusuf Mat.
Okay, it's your opinion.
Yeah, it's my opinion.
Yeah. So, is he going to attack or is he going to be holding? He's just going to play in front of Utebo Khumukwen.
It's already going to hold. Okay. And according to me, if I was a coach, if I was a coach, Uloch was going to play attacking midfield because this plays all over. And it's
okay.
Not to win. Not
So
me.
you want to give him like freedom to
Yeah,
be able
freedom.
to, okay,
Ulodge.
sure. So you're going to put Ulodge?
Ulodge.
Okay, sure.
No mat, no mkwena.
Okay, yeah.
No.
Ayibo. Ulodge mkhupha?
Zwani. Mshishi. Yeah. Mshishi. Yusuf Mat coming. Yusuf Mat.
I want to know, but who's going to be your number 9?
My number 9.
If you're playing Umshishi as an attacking midfielder right behind the striker.
Yeah, let's
go to the front 3.
Yeah. Okay. According to me, this player deserves a starting lineup in Bafana colors. But God doesn't allow him to be in the starting lineup.
Is he in the squad now? The latest squad? Okay.
A police.
Yo.
From our
Izinja
left wing,
madoda.
so that we can tap.
And he's right footed. Okay, you want to put him
left.
kwa level on the
Yeah.
okay.
So now I'm looking for the left.
So if he deserves the starting lineup, who are you putting out? They were using Upesitau and who else was starting games? Because we also played
The last game, before this third one, they played
Utapelo Morena. Umuhlali was coming from the bench, so they started with Utapelo Morena.
Yeah.
I remember the first game we started with Utapelo Maseko.
So Napoli.
Who are you taking out, King? Are you taking out Utapelo Morena or can you pass it out?
Tapelo More.
He's sitting on the bench.
Yes,
The new
yes.
Apolis is coming in.
If Morena, Ula.
Yeah.
So second half.
Even Apolis.
Yeah. So second half, maybe Police or Tau Bakateli, Morena Zuba.
Okay.
Yeah. So
okay.
yeah.
Valid. So you're starting with Apolis on the left hand side.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Okay. At left. Oh, right wing. My right wing. Let me see. Okay. Oh, let me just go to the number 9, man. I'll get back to
Okay.
the
Let's see who will Chambers want to play with.
Okay. Strikes.
Abuya man.
I will pass
You are criticizing Hugo Bruce. You're throwing shots indirectly.
I not a banga. Sharp. I strike. This player now you're missing.
It's the nature of the strike.
Okay, my right wing. Kaji Samai.
Okay, so you're putting him wing, not forward, not number 9.
Not number 9.
Okay. That killer instinct.
Like I want this player that I turn but I prefer.
Kubanlo.
I'm turning now. I don't prefer him. I don't hate him.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. But you just wouldn't use him. Okay, sure.
So my strike.
You're number 9. Remember, you need goals. And Shalulile, you don't prefer Shalulile, and Shalulile can give you goals.
Mayo is one of the
leading goal scorers right now.
So I have Mayo. Sharp.
But umbeke ecaleni.
Make it early. Uzo create a chance. Uzo Carter.
Okay.
Asha, one of the best.
Okay,
Okay, my strike. This player, man. Patu problem, man.
The best of the best. Yeah, he's old, but the best of the best. You.
So, but because I play Mikas,
yeah,
long ball. I'm going for this boy. What did he do?
Yo,
like,
and he has pace too. So complete strike.
So yeah, complete strike.
No cap.
So that's my starting lineup.
So yeah, that was starting lineup as Jusca.
Yeah,
which is going to have Ron Williams as Berlin. Kulis to Sailor Mudau on his right hand side. On the left back, we have the one and only Messi. Tiba, Primo Tiba. And then on the center back pairing is going to have Edmelson Tove alongside Grant Khomoli Mokekana. As his defending midfielder is going to have Tebu Mukwena. And then alongside Tebu Mukwena, he'll be having Yusuf Mart up front, right in front of Yusuf Mart as attacking midfielder, Mshishizwane. And then going on to the left hand side, he's going to have Oswinapolis. But big up to the rise and shine Polokwane City player. And then on the other side of the field is going to have Kanye Samayo, the killer instinct player. what a finisher. And then the player that's going to be leading the attack from the front is Wandile Duba. So yeah, beautiful starting lineup for you, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, I'm going on. This might possibly be the last question, but this question has its own question. Firstly, which is your favorite team in the PSL?
My favorite team.
This is the closing question. Yeah, your favorite team in the PSL.
I'm a Kosi fan, but they can't sit me. Like, you are my favorite.
Yeah.
My favorite.
In case of Chiefs.
But my favorite, like, through performance.
Okay,
Or
okay.
what?
Like the team you love. The team you love.
The team I love. Even though I the Kosi.
Okay.
Like, I just like Ngaitan.
Yeah,
I wanna even
so explain.
if you know starting lineup, I want Kuala, but Ngaitan the Kosi.
Wandile Duba is leading them. Like he's the one representing your team. Yeah.
So
Okay, you had three of them. Yeah, yeah.
Even though who go Uluanat.
If when you are
move.
okay, Modrigo. So let's say you are the international coach right now for his Ibafana Bafana. Which player are you taking from Kaizer Chiefs to go and represent South Africa?
One more now. Like yes, I want 2 assists from the dark.
Okay,
Damn,
okay,
it was-
okay.
yo,
And a
yo,
beautiful
yo.
performance on top of that.
I forgot the priest. How the priest improve, guys.
But to Priest,
Okay, hola.
yeah, obviously he's going
And
to give you peace. But remember, we have Ikram Renas. Ikram Renas is more clinical. We know why he can finish better than. And he also has pace.
So ish.
Yeah.
So actually, 87 but as about 3 minutes now. So yeah, what? Which are at the game because more than a game. It's not mentally with your code.
So I asked you, but which one is your favorite team? And you said the Kaizer Chiefs.
Kaizer Chiefs, my favorite team.
You have a penalty.
I was from 2 and goal.
It's the last minute of the game. I will find a to learn a goal. The Pepfeni Glamour boys. Why eat? So Kaizer Chiefs. It's the last minute of the game. Wandile Duba gets fouled in the box. It can be any player. You can say, Peterson gets fouled. Yeah, so now you have a penalty. Who are you giving it to?
Don't PSL.
And your team, from your favorite team.
From my favorite, from Chiefs.
Yeah.
Oh,
You have a penalty in the last minute. Who are you giving that penalty to?
oh, from Chiefs. Okay, from Chiefs. This one.
It's hard.
It's hard because
And in Kaizer Chiefs really gets the penalties most. Who's the penalty taker for Kaizer Chiefs go now?
Mata
Oh, Yusuf Mata. Yeah, I think it's Yusuf Mata. Yeah.
So let me see.
It's the last minute, my brother.
Yeah.
Imagine the goalkeeper's Ronan Williams.
For my team. You don't. Guys. Umatia Kora. So
You prefer Umar?
no, this player I'm thinking of. Why am I blank today? And now you are Kora. But from my team. Aye. Umato dude. Oh, Udoli now you are Kora.
Keegan, I don't know how I didn't think of him. I don't know how I didn't think of
Oh,
him.
yeah, boy, and she game time. I'm injured.
So if you like free kick,
you free kick. You know, matter dude.
obrigado.
Obrigado. Like, it depends which angle. But if in the middle,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yusuf marked for a free kick. Yusuf marked for a free kick. Like you'd put Yusuf Mat up there alongside the free kick takers for Kaizer Chiefs.
But Yusuf, one of the best.
And then? Okay. So you're saying if Kaizer Chiefs win any penalty in the last minute, you'd give it to Yusuf Mat. And if they have a free kick in the last minute,
Now do you to go?
For
Like
a
it
penalty.
depends which angle.
so okay, free kick. It's either Udoli or Yusuf Mat.
Yes.
And then for a penalty,
For a penalty. Okay. No, actually, we are going to penalty.
so you have 3 kulist yakho. It's either Ashley Dupreez, Yusuf Mat or Keegan.
Yes.
Now you have to choose one. You have to choose one, my brother.
It's last minute, and I need to win the game.
You need to win the game. I almost said it's the final of a competition, but you haven't seen it's the quarter. It's the round of 16. It's the round of 16 of a competition. Kaizer Chiefs needs to go through to quarterfinals.
Alright. Dolly.
I get kicking Dolly. They're giving it to you. They're giving it to you. So yeah, man, guys, those are the questions that I have for Jusca Chuguchugu here. And yeah, man, he answered them. Even though we saw, but in some aspects of South African football, he's still missing. He's still leaking a bit. Yeah, you are. But yeah, man, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'm looking forward to making so many more videos of this type, you know. So yeah, man, and I was here with Jusca, who was a guest. Yeah, thank you so much for it. Thank you.